Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I'm alright, thank you
That's
so much.
good,
Where are you
of
from?
course. I'm from Texas.
Texas. Well, so are you Native American or you came from in America from any other as you spoke like Spanish?
Well, I'm Mexican, soy mexicana.
Okay. How many languages? Oh my god, look at that. My bird is just trying to bite me up. Say hello.
Wow.
Mm-hmm. How many languages do you speak?
I speak two, English and Spanish.
English and Spanish. Well, that's cool. But how did you change the background? Let me change my background.
If you click, if you click the three bars at the bottom, you see the three lines.
Yeah, magic background.
Magic, and then you go background.
Is that okay? Ah, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, so what do you do for yourself?
The way?
What do you
Hey,
do?
Richie World.
What do you do for yourself?
Like what I do for work?
Yep, for work.
I sell mattresses.
Okay,
Hello.
that's good though. So, do you know Bangladesh? As I'm from Bangladesh. No.
I don't.
So if I can just make away in disappointed, like, do you know any other country from South Asia?
I'm not familiar with them. No.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but what about your interest? Do you love to travel?
Partially, yeah.
But you know what? As we know, the America is a very comprehensive country. So there are so many states over there. But which one do you like most to move around inside America or outside of America?
I haven't been outside of America. The bird, yeah, that's what I was looking at. The bird. I haven't been outside of America. I've only been.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
21. Oh, you're still very young. But do you not work really?
I do. I'm at work right now.
Right now you are at work, but you know what? We people think every single American just respect the time as you are at work. But how are you talking to me just using this platform? Isn't any interrupting while you are working?
Sometimes I'll get a guest, but it's like rare. But like right now, it's not busy, so I'm able to do this. When I get busy, I get off of here.
Okay,
But this is also my job. This is my second job.
Oh, how many hours you work in a day?
For Vigo?
No.
My regular one?
Yeah, your regular work.
Work 10 hours. 10-hour, 12-hour shifts.
10, 12 hours. It's a lot. It's a lot actually. But could you tell me how many dollars America pay per hour minimum wage?
The minimum wage in Texas right now is $7.25. That's for certain jobs. I don't get paid hourly. I get paid commission.
Lily, look, I wasn't really expect that you will accept me to be on the PK with you. You know, I'm learning English in order to this occasion. I use this app, and by the way, I asked you as you are the native speaker. Look, I don't select any kinds of topic before joining in any PK, but I try to imagine the humor of the English girls, and then I go through this kind of question as well. Okay, sometimes I'm sorry if I make mistake.
Richie, somebody on my side said, you have got good manners.
Oh, thank you. Receive word peace. I have to go for my dinner. We talk soon on the other day and see you around,
Okay.
my friend.
Alrighty. Have a good day.
Okay.
Good night.
Have a good day.
Night.
Bye bye. It's okay. Thank you.